Hello, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking in the video. My name is Lucas, and today I made you guys this video of three little things that I found that you can fix really easy on your website. So you can start building a Lars Remodel, a Miramar kitchen and bath. These guys, when you look up San Diego kitchen remodel, show up at the very top results over here, okay? And you could be there really easily by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I make this video for you. The answer is simple. It is because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their customers and their business, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet work for them and bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free educational videos for business owners and send it to them so they have all the information. Some of them, they like to take the information and put it in action themselves, but a lot of them, they call me and they have me helping them and do it for them. So either option is okay with me. I just do this for passion. But if you like what you see and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call and we can chat. That said, let's jump in. What I want to tell you about is the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top of Google. This is content, backlinks, and citation. But starting with content, is everything that is on your website. And I see that you already have a pretty good amount of content with some pictures and a really good calls of action. So this is a good looking website, but when you put it over here on the word counter, you see that you just have about 500 words. Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000 words on the website that they rank at the very top. So you see Lars Remodel, for example, they have a lot of pictures with a lot of content, and when you paste it on the same word counter, you can see that they have about 1,500 words. All right, there you go. Miramar Kitchen and Bath, the same, has a lot of pictures, a lot of content too. All right, so you want to get about 2,000 words of keyword rich content on your website. And keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up regarding your services. You make a research of which ones are the ones that they're being looked up the most. And you want to drop those keywords, those terms, those phrases several times throughout those 2,000 words. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website putting a link that when somebody clicks in it, it drives them back over here to your website. And the way they work is basically like a popularity contest. Okay, so Google loves to see a bunch of relevant pages vouching for you, which means that you can get a backlink for any website. You can get a backlink for a website that talks about fashion, about food, but they're not as close, as important and powerful as when another company that is another remodeling company or construction company vouches for you and gives you that backlink, because Google loves to see websites on the same niche doing those things for you. Okay, so how you check the backlinks? We use a cool tool called Ahrefs here in Purple Room. For example, when I put your website here, I can see that you have 76 referring domains. Okay, this is a pretty good number. But when you see, for example, in a market number, they have just 38 and large model 74. How come they rank higher than you? Because they have more content with keyword rich oriented in it, so a lot of keywords in it, sorry, and then their backlinks are probably stronger than your backlinks, and that's why they're ranking higher. How can you get those backlinks and fix that? Just copy them. Okay, just go through their backlinks, all the referring domains that they have over here, and you just go through every single one of them over here and over here if it loads, and you just copy all the ones they have. All right, so that way, if these links are good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. So you make a profile, basically is what you usually do, and you drop a link to your website in there. Last thing I want to tell you about, it's citations. Citations are basically, what a citation is your business information listed in a directory in the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, and Yelp are some examples, okay? So what you need to do in order to get up here on the MacPack, which by the way is completely free, you need to make some more citations than your competition. So the same with the backlinks. What I would do is check how many citations they have, copy those, and then add at least another 100 in this situation. Okay. So let's say these guys have 150. I would probably go for 300. Okay. And then if you're interested in ads, all you need to do is add with your competition. But these are like a hit or miss because if you have an ad block, which are really popular nowadays, you won't even see the ads. All right. So let's make a little recap. All you need to do is implement 2,000 words of keyword rich content. build a healthy, strong backlink profile over here that you can start doing by copying the backlinks on your competition and then adding some extra on top that because you already have some that would count. And then just checking how many citations these guys have over here and just build the same ones plus another 100, all right, at least. And with that, you'll be beating them and ranking at the very top of Google in no time and getting all that extra business and all those extra calls that come with it. So my recommendation, if you're interested in doing this, is getting started as soon as you can, because implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be getting all that extra business and all that extra calls. All right. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please feel free to take this information and put it in action yourself. But if you want me to help you, give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching again, and if you can give me a little bit of feedback, it'll be much appreciated. Have a great day.